It is so important to guard your heart, and I have to talk about it. I was reading my devotional this morning, as I always do, and there was one line that really stuck out to me, and I just need to break it down. So let me just get you into it, okay? I'm the Prince of Peace. As I said to my disciples, I say also to you, peace be with you. Since I am your constant companion, my peace is steadfastly with you. When you keep your focus on me, you experience both my presence and my peace. Worship me as King of Kings, Lord of Lords, and Prince of Peace. You need my peace each moment to accomplish my purposes in your life. Okay, let's stop right there. When you think about moment by moment in a day, that is a lot of peace that we are needing. And it just puts so much into perspective. And one of the scriptures that was attached to this devotional was Psalm 25:4, which says, show me your ways, God, teach me your paths. Guide me in your truth and teach me, for you are God, my Savior, and my hope is in you all day long. Okay, so if we put two and two together here, we need his peace moment by moment, and we also need his guidance because our hope is in him, and without him, we have no direction. And if you just think about how many moments are in a day, I don't know if I heard it in grade school or I was scrolling somewhere once upon a time, but there are 86,400 seconds in a day. And if you pretend that that's money in the bank, that's $86,400 that you have. So let's say someone steals $10 out of your bank or $20. Are you going to be bent out of shape over that $10 and $20? Or are you going to continue to ball out with 86,000 you have left? Okay, I'll go first. I'm going to ball out. Why would you stress? You still have so much in the bank. If you equate that to the moments that you have in a day and the seconds that you have in a day, why are you cursing somebody out on the road for cutting you off? Why are you bent out of shape from someone's comment on your post when you don't even know that person? Why are you giving energy to things that really you shouldn't be feeling some type of way about? Why are you so pressed about the small stuff when life is so much bigger and God has so much more? Getting bent out of shape about the small stuff prevents us from progressing. It prevents us from tapping into God's peace. It prevents us from God's help because we are so focused on what's wrong that we're not really able to tap into the peace that he has for us with each moment that passes by. We are in the last month of the year. Happy December. We're here. I don't know how we got here. I don't know when we got here. I thought we were in March. So I'm truly trying to piece it together. But I don't subscribe to waiting until December 31st to change your life, change your mind, change your heart, become a new person overnight, and January 1st you're just going to be out here thriving. It does not work that way because change happens in these small moments, in these small decisions, and they all compound together to get you to the goal that you're trying to accomplish or to help you become the person that you see yourself being. If you realize that your heart has been heavy, your mind has been distracted, you're taking in negativity and spitting it back out, what situations are hurting your heart? What situations are making it hard to guard your heart? If it's continuous scrolling over pages that make you feel insecure, if it's a friendship, a relationship, a family member that makes you feel small or doesn't understand the path that you're on, if it's your own mind that is corrupting your own heart and not allowing you to flourish in the way that you know you can flourish, take note of it and figure out what actions you can take to guard your heart so that you can tap into God's help and tap into God's peace and receive all of the blessings that he has for you. Proverbs 4:23 says, above all else, guard your heart, for everything you do flows from it. I'm doing it with you. I believe in you. And the peace awaits, okay? Thank y'all so much for watching. Do something great today, and I will see you in my next video. I hold on to